Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy if you are new, and if you are an old-time subscriber, like literally just like welcome. We are so back. I have uploaded a few TikToks, Instagram, but there is like nothing like a good old-fashioned YouTube makeup tutorial. So that is what we're gonna do today. I know in the past I have done a lot of get the looks where I recreate one specific makeup look off of a celebrity. So this video is gonna be a little bit different, like same but different. We're gonna get more of like the signature style of a makeup artist. So this is going to be a Nina Park look. She is a makeup artist that does these really beautiful red carpet looks. Like it always looks so effortless, so undone. The skin looks really natural. The lips look plump but natural. Like everything is just simple and done so tastefully. It looks so expensive. So that is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna start with skin prep. All of her clients, all of the celebrity like red carpet looks that she does, I always am so amazed at how good the skin looks. It doesn't look overdone, it doesn't look cakey, it looks very natural. I did like a mini order on this Korean website. I can't remember what the website was called, but I got a lot of really yummy skin treats. So let's go ahead and dive into that and get this face prep. I'm gonna apply the Rhode Glazing Milk. I ran out of my full-size bottle. I need to get more, but I was so happy that I found this travel size one. I just feel like nothing gets my skin more hydrated than this. You can imagine I have been on a tour of no sleep, breastfeeding, pregnant for 2-3 years. So my skin is like just not up to par. I feel like anytime I use a Rhode Glazing Milk, I'm like, okay, it's not as bad as I think it is, you know? The next thing I'm gonna use that is from that little order is the Medicube PDRN Pink Peptide Serum. I fell in love with the mask. You know those like masks that become transparent and almost like adhesive to your skin and you wear overnight? My skin has never looked better than with that. So I was like, the sleeping mask is kind of annoying and I just wanted the serum. So that's what I bought recently, and you can already see my skin is coming alive, thank God. I feel like Nina Park's method is never like too glazy, too oily, too glowy. It's just like perfectly hydrated. So we're just gonna do little layers to moisturize. So for moisturizer, the Honest, very simple, it's very clean. Everything obviously in the last 3 years for me had to be breastfeeding and pregnancy safe. Okay, so I am gonna use this primer by One Size Beauty, kind of concentrating the center of my face more than like the perimeter. So that is the skin prep. I really like how glowy yet not greasy. Like it's not super slippery, which is what I want. I am gonna use one of my favorite foundations. It's like a concealer stick. So I'm just gonna add that directly onto, and everything will of course be linked in the description box in case I forget to call something out. And I'm just gonna use this little brush. I am gonna use a tiny bit of concealer. Again, I don't wanna get carried away. I'm just gonna sculpt my cheeks, and I'm hitting it right at the bone. I feel like she doesn't like, usually I would go here, but I'm going like right on the bone, like high. We're going high. Higher. Then for my nose, I'm actually gonna grab it right directly onto the brush and start sculpting a little bit. I feel like after pregnancy, like my nose kind of changed, and I want to get a nose job. I don't know, like I feel like it got bigger. Is that a thing? Like I'm pretty sure it's a thing. I'm also gonna like line the perimeter, and then I'm gonna blend out with the same brush. This one is amazing. This is by e.l.f. And I'm actually gonna use a sponge to blend out the concealer. I'll be honest, I barely do makeup anymore. At least like not sit down. I'm like always on the go, you know? Like doing it in the car, like a tinted sunscreen, brows and lip, and I'm like out the door. This feels so good to just like sit down and do makeup with you again. Missed you guys. Okay, for blush, I feel like blush is Nina Park's like specialty. I think I'm gonna use 2 blushes. One of them is one of my favorites. You can see how well loved that is. It is by Lawless. It's called Angel. And we're gonna go high again, like high up into the cheekbone and temple, like that. I feel like her placing is always like really high to sculpt. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, obviously. I feel like she even goes across the nose a bit, and I love doing that. I just feel like it ties everything together and it gives like that natural, like you've been out in the sun look. And then just to punch it up a little more, I'm gonna use the Summer Fridays, which is just a little deeper, and I feel like that is what Nina Park kind of tends to favor. You can see just punching it up. And I'm gonna put that red on top, but like kind of staying closer back there. And so I don't get too heavy, I'm gonna switch brushes. So I'm no longer get the pigment and I just use the brush to blend out. Ooh, that looks really nice. Okay, we're gonna move on to the eyes now. I feel like her eyes are so deceptively simple. We're just gonna use like 2 shades. And I'm gonna use Makeup by Mario, this shade up here. I'm gonna place that right on the eyelid, like all over, dust it all over. You can also use bronzer for this. So I'm gonna use this gel liner and go right into the lash line. Like not going too much, and I just like to use my fingers to kind of like smudge it out, make it a little imperfect. And I go with my pinky and kind of like smudge it out to create a tiny bit of a wing. Take this darker shade in the same palette and just go over that same liner to soften it. My eyebrows look so crazy. We're gonna jump into these eyebrows. Yeah, do you like it? It's a Nina Park method. It's a Nina Park method. We're almost done. We just gotta get these eyebrows together, okay? Okay, her eyebrow look is it doesn't look laminated. It doesn't look super sculpted. It's literally, I feel like just brushed. Like whatever the natural, like a full natural brow, just like brushed. So that's what I'm gonna do. I really need to get them done. I have not found a place. I'm currently in like Mexico City, so I have not found a place here that I trust. I need to like ask around to some of the girlies here, some of the beauty girlies, and we're just gonna fill in the gaps that we have so that they don't look chewed up anymore. Go in to the inner corner with this brown liner. Just to define that slightly, I'm gonna use a little bit of that dark shade that I used on to like blend a lived in look. So we are gonna finish the eyes with some mascara, but first I did want to apply just a little bit of pressed powder. I'm gonna use this guy by One Size, just like literally right here under the eyes. So now mascara. So the lashes should just like frame the eye, it shouldn't overpower. I have pretty long lashes, so I tend to like go so heavy with mascara, but I'm gonna try to reel it in today just so that it has like that soft lived-in look. And actually with this mascara, I feel like you can't really go too hard. It's like a very soft, natural, wispy kind of lash. And I'll use just a little bit on the bottom. I feel like this is a really good mascara for like bottom lashes. Okay, for lips, this is like another signature Nina Park look. I feel like she uses brown, cool tone lip liners on the edges and just kind of blurs. And they just look so plush and natural. Like they don't look overdone again, which I love. I'm gonna use Pillow Talk. Let's try that. Look how like dry my lips are though. And that's what I use the sleeping. They're just perpetually dry. We'll fix it with the lip balm. Just gonna do that. And I'm gonna use brown liner. I think I can go a little darker on the lip line. Just didn't want to overdo it. And I actually ordered this little crystal glam tint. So it has like a little bit of moisture, and I'm just gonna put this on the center of the lips. You see how it looks like a little moisturized? Like, I feel like it's not glossy, it's definitely not matte. So I thought this was kind of perfect. And it's again from Korea. I just love Korean products. This is one of my favorite products by Chanel. She uses a lot of Chanel products as well. And I'm gonna grab this on a brush. Just use this guy. And on the high points of our cheek. I am gonna do down the nose. Like there's this one photo of Zoe Kravitz. Oh, I love how she does her makeup. It's just so good. I feel like I can even go a little deeper. I have this one by one size. Building and blurring. I feel like it's all like layers and smudging. So you have that like really beautiful, effortless, lived in, undone look. So I'm gonna use everything. I'm gonna seal everything with this setting spray. This is by L'Oreal. It's so good. It feels a little toxic, so I moved my baby out of the room. But it just locks everything into place. It's not like a dewy, like I feel like we already have enough dew, so I wanted to use something that's just long lasting. I can even use like, oh, I kind of want to put this on my lips too. Oh, you know what? This is totally optional, but we can also use freckles. It's easy to stamp onto your skin. So that is the Nina Park makeup method. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you took away some tips. Like I said, I will link all of the products that I use. I really want to come back onto YouTube strong, so I'm going to try to be consistent. As you guys saw in this video, it was a little bit challenging at times with a little one, and I have 2 babies, so 2 under 2. And so that's why I've been like very MIA. Expect more videos. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.